Today I will tell you about a unique and aromatic cultural phenomenon from Tegal, Central Java, Indonesia. Yes, I will talk about teh poci. Today we will explore its origins and how it became the icon for the city of Slawi. Let's get started. Tegal is widely known for its unique dialect and its famous food stalls across Indonesia. However, Tegal also holds monumental title as the capital of Indonesia's jasmine tea culture. At the heart of this identity, it is a traditional beverage known as teh poci. Teh poci is not just a drink, it is a cultural ritual. The word poci refers to the unglazed clay teapot used to brew robust jasmine-scented black tea. It is traditionally served with a large chunks of rock sugar and enjoyed hot. Let's start with the history. Why did Tegal and Slawi become so famous for tea? It all dates back to the colonial era around 19th century when massive tea plantations were established in the mountainous area of central Java, particularly near Mount Slamet. Because of this close proximity, tea factories began to sprout up across Tegal and Slawi. The locals developed a deep love for robust black tea, but they infused it with a local twist, just fresh jasmine flowers. This created a distinct local blend, strong fragrant tea that you can't find anywhere else around the world. Over generations, this affordable everyday drink transformed into an indispensable regional identity. Now, what truly sets this area apart is the vessel it is brewed in, the poci. A poci is a traditional teapot made entirely out of clay. The process of making this clay pot is a labor of love passed down through generations of local artisans. Here is the fascinating secret. These clay pots are never glazed on the inside. This leaves the tea porous. Over time, as the tea repeatedly brewed in the pot, the clay absorbs the essential tea oils and jasmine aroma. Local wisdom says the older and more frequently used a poci is the most delicious and fragrant the tea will taste. Because of this rich industry, the clay pot has risen to become more than just a kitchen tool. It is literal symbol of the region. If you travel to Slawi, the capital of region, Tegal Regency, you will immediately notice a massive, beautiful monument set like a giant poci right in the middle of a major city roundabout like this. This monument has represented Slawi's pride as the ultimate producer of both of the authentic jasmine tea and the traditional clay pottery. It stands as a daily reminder to local and visitors alike of the region's thriving agricultural heritage and creative economy. This brings us to the heartbeat of Tegal social life, the tradition of mochi. Mochi is a verb used by local means the act of gathering together to drink tea from a poci. But mochi is not just about hydration, it is a social equalizer. People from all walks of life, regardless of the social status, wealth or background, sit together at night stalls or in living rooms to mochi. The tea is served with a unique philosophy called waskito, which stands for wangi or fragrant, panas or hot, sepet or astringent or bitter, legi is sweet, and kental is thick. The cup is filled with large crystals of rock sugar. Crucially, you do not stir the tea. You let the hot bitter tea slowly melt the sugar at the bottom. As you sip, the tea changes from bitter to sweet, symbolizing the journey of life itself. While drinking, people talk about politics, family, jokes, and life. It fosters harmony and community warmth. In conclusion, the Pochi Khas Tegal is a masterful blend of history, skilled craftsmanship, urban identity, and social unity. It is a beautiful reminder of how simple beverage can bind a community together. If you ever visiting Slawi or Tegal yourself, make sure to slow down, pull up a chair, and experience the warmth of an authentic mochi session itself. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button. See you guys in the next video. Dadah. Bye bye.